What is good, everyone? So today we are back again with another trade recap for today. So I'm gonna break down what I took today, exactly what my bias was going for today. Now I did end up taking a loss today as well. Again today, the setup was an A plus setup in my opinion. I thought it was really good, but I'm gonna basically break down what went down in this trade for you guys. So to start off, for example, the first thing I noticed when we hopped in the charts, I hopped on before, like about 30 minutes before market open. So we were just kind of chilling in this range. We are just kind of consolidating. Now we did have these equal highs up here, which are a strong draw on liquidity. So my bias for today was bullish. I wanted these equal highs to get ran through, as we were already bullish for the remainder of like the pre-session. We were already going up. Now once market opened, the first thing that happened is we initially sold off right away. So I was kind of just watching to see what price would do with this 5-minute fair value gap right here. Now if you guys can see, we completely obliterated this gap right here as well too. And we did have all this liquidity down here as well too. We had all this liquidity, LR built up on the left as well. Now I was waiting for this low to get taken. It got taken out. And then I waited for this low to get taken, and it got taken out as well too. So then I dropped time frames, dropped down to the 15-minute, pulled back into this 15-minute fair value gap down here as well too. So obviously when we were in this situation, we already ran liquidity. 9:30 open, this would have been our manipulation. We ran liquidity down. We took the sell side liquidity down here. We were respecting 15-minute bullish price action. And then once we were about this area, when we came down and swept this liquidity, I was looking for a reversal back to the equal highs. If you go back onto the replay, you guys can see we had this 1-minute bearish fair value gap right here. If we inverse this would be good indication that the market is going to reverse on us. Now around this time, macro time was about to start. This was 9:44, so I was waiting for macro time to start, and we never got the entry. Macro started here, 9:50, and then boom, right here, this was our entry. So I instantly took the entry. My targets were the equal highs, the internal high up here, and then I was targeting 50% of this fair value gap right here as well too. So I was going for about a 1 to 3. For a 1 to 3, and then I did end up getting stopped out. Yeah, there we go. But I mean, all of our confluences came up into this trade. This was a very good loss in my opinion. I'm not really mad that I did end up taking the loss. You guys can see the executions on my screen right here. This was the loss that happened right here. Now, one of the big reasons why I did think this is a loss as well too was we were just kind of trading consolidation. This was choppy. Keep in mind today was FOMC as well too. So I'm almost positive the market was also waiting to see what was going to come out of it. And then the other thing that I did notice as well too is that a bearish SMT did end up forming against me during the trade. When we were pushing price over here, I did notice that ES did end up taking the high, and we didn't take the high over here on NQ. So I was already kind of expecting this to be some sort of reversal, an indication that we were going to go lower. The other thing I could have possibly done better was wait for this other 15-minute fair value gap to get filled as well too, as this one hasn't been rebalanced yet. So we could have waited for this gap to get rebalanced and then look for a trade from there. But overall, I mean, this was a very solid trade. I would take the setup any day of the week. This is an A plus trade in my opinion. Super liquidity, delivery off of a gap, good momentum, inversion, clear targets to the upside, discounted the range as well too. And yeah, I mean, sucks that we did end up taking the loss, but that was pretty much my market recap for today. What I was thinking, what I was looking for during price today, and yeah, that's gonna basically sum it up for this AM session. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Stay dedicated, stay grinding, never give up, never lose hope. Right now, I'm like in the worst spot that I've been mentally with this trading stuff, but I mean, I'm not gonna give up. I have no other option. So yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Stay blessed, and I love you guys. Peace out.